Do you want to travel like a pro, have everything go smoothly? Well, watch my videos and do pretty much the opposite of what I do. I planned a day trip to Peaks Island, which is off the coast of Portland, Maine. This was my second trip to Peak Island. The first I had to cut short because of poor planning. Will I do better this time? A little, but still far from smooth. My first misstep, I did not read the ferry schedule, which resulted in me having a 2-hour wait for the next ferry, so I did a little wander around Portland. We are in downtown Portland, Maine. Got a couple hours here to explore. Re-ride. I had a couple of beers in there. Maybe I'll have a beer in there today. Never know. The United States Custom House was built from 1867 to 1872 to replace the Exchange Building, which was destroyed in the Great Portland Fire of July 1866. The fire was at that time the worst fire in an American city. The Great Chicago Fire was 5 years away. Approximately 1,800 buildings were destroyed. Remarkably, the death toll was only 4. My son-in-law actually works for them in Windsor as right now sort of a pottery apprentice, among other things. There's a lot of harbor tours here, but I prefer going on the ferries, finding my own way. Brewery and distillery. And it. I am drawn to this place. Maybe after. This is Dewey's Ale House, which I've not been in, but it's been recommended to me. Original Portland Ale House. That's some water here. Vermont flannel. I do love the streets, the cobblestone. More cobblestones. 5 new animals. I have never seen frozen Irish coffee. Well, I'm good. There's a little fascination with alleys. You know, if I was here on a regular basis, that'd be my jam. I'm trying to guess what this is, and I don't have a guess. It is a waterways pump station. There you go. For those of you who aren't really tourists. Simba parking, $20 all day. This should be on our radar. How you doing, buddy?